Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natalia and today I'm discussing the marketing funnel. As always, thank you so much for liking, commenting, sharing, and subscribing. In marketing, we hear a lot about this funnel. So, what is it and why is everyone talking about it? Basically, it's the conceptualization of the journey a customer takes from the time they become aware of your brand to when they purchase and beyond. The funnel is always bigger at the top when you're attracting prospects to your site and narrows as these prospects become leads and move through their buyer journey. Ideally, this funnel wouldn't get smaller, but in reality, you're not going to convert every customer who discovers your brand. There are several stages in the marketing funnel from awareness, consideration, conversion, loyalty, and advocacy. Let's walk through each stage so you have a better understanding of the customer journey through the marketing funnel. Awareness. Awareness is the stage a consumer is discovering your brand, product, or offer. Consideration. Consideration is the stage after a customer has become aware of your brand and products, but they have not purchased yet. They are now a lead that you can nurture to conversion. Here, you'll want to show them how your brand can really benefit them. This is the stage that often has a high drop-off, so you'll want to stay in communication with your leads to make sure they convert and purchase before they lose interest or decide your product is not right for them. Conversion. Conversion refers to the stage where customers have purchased your product. You have succeeded in getting your lead to take the action and buy your product. Loyalty. Loyalty is the stage after a customer has purchased. You want to keep them engaged with you so they continue to buy your products. And the final stage is advocacy. Advocacy is the stage when customers have built a strong relationship with you and are promoting your product or service to their friends. This is your ultimate goal with your customers. Designing programs and marketing strategy around the funnel can really help you improve your ROI, as it will allow you to highlight the area with the largest drop-offs and double down where customers need your support the most. You can target marketing campaigns and programs in those areas where customers may need more nurturing to get them to the next phase in their buyer journey, and lower in the marketing funnel. A quick tip in regards to the marketing funnel. B2C and B2B funnels often behave a bit differently. With B2C, consumers move through the funnel and are guided by marketing campaigns that have a wider reach, so they're essentially interacting with your brand and programs on their own. With a B2B funnel, leads are usually smaller in volume and often hit a point where they have a more one-to-one interaction with a sales team member. If you have a business that is both B2C and B2B, don't compare your funnels. Treat them differently, as the audiences and marketing strategy should be different. Remember to comment with any questions you may have about the marketing funnel, and make sure to subscribe to my channel to learn more about marketing strategy and campaign planning. Also, if you'd like to learn more about integrated marketing, my Udemy course is now live. You can enroll today with a discount using the link I provided in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed learning about the marketing funnel. See you next time.